Hi everyone, so this video will be a simple tutorial on how to design a 3-story flat roof house using robot. To install robot in your PC, it's very simple method. You just go to autodesk.com. In their official page, you type in robot in their search bar, and then robot structure analysis professional page will be appearing, and from here you just download. And if you're a student like me, you can use the student package, which is a free 3 years subscription. So using that, you have to sign up with your email, so they will send a license key to your email, and using the license key you just download and install with a simple method the robot software in your PC. Once your robot software is already installed in your PC, a shortcut of robot structure analysis professional 2019 will appear like so. So you just double click on it. To start a new project, you just click new, and then from here you select what type of the project is. For this tutorial, it will be a simple RC design, so you just click on building design. So now you'll just see a simple like a piece of paper, blank paper kind of, with a small dots. So from here you have to identify your axis in order to draw. But before in identifying your axis and defining your axis, you have to make sure some simple things, which is the design code that you're using. For that, you just go to tools, and from tools there will be a option as preference. You just click the preference, and from here the regional settings, you have to click on what type of design code that you're following. And for me, I'll be using Eurocode, and the language will be English. Accept that. And other than this, you have to make sure the unit that you're using. If you're using metric unit, which is meter, kilonewton and degree, you have to make sure that, which is from here, job preference, which is beside the preference menu. You just click the job preference, and from here you just select metric. And do you want to change all units to metric units, which is meter, kilonewton and degree? You just yes and okay. So once you already figure out this, you have to identify and define the axis to draw on it. So for that, you can go to axis definition from the right corner over here, or you can also find it over in geometrical option over here, which is axis definition. You just click on it. So for axis, you have three: axis A, axis X, axis Y, and axis Z. So for the first axis X, the portion will be 0, the number of repeat will be 4, and the distance between each will be 2 meters. Add that, and make sure your numbering is for axis X. I'm gonna set to ABC, which is alphabetic, and for axis Y, the portion will be 0, the number of repeat will be 5, and the distance between each axis will be 4 meters. And add them, and also the numbering will be numerical. So make sure you can differentiate between x-axis and y-axis. That's why I'm selecting x-axis as alphabetic and y-axis as numeric, and apply that, and the whole grid line will appear in your screen. So let's say once you already define the grid line, all the axes, let's say in the middle of your design you have to get rid of some grid line which is unnecessarily. You can still do that by performing this simple method, which is go to axis definition again. Let's say you're gonna get rid of axis number 6, so you just go to y, which is 6, find 6, and just delete and apply, and the number 6, the grid line number 6 will be gone. And let's say for x-axis you're gonna get rid of this line, which is B over here, just go to there, go to X and read line B, just delete it and apply, and the whole line will be gone. So from here you already have your x-axis and y-axis. So from view from in 3D, you can see you have y-axis and x-axis. So from here you can start drawing, but since this is a three-story house, you have to define your stories, the number of stories first. So for my design, I'll be having three stories for, so I'm gonna add the three stories over here. So for that, I have to go to geometry, stories, stories, and from here the I'm going to define it manually. So click on manually, and the existing story you just delete on it, you just delete the existing story and define manually. And for this, the reference level will be 0, the number of repeat will be 3, as it is a three-story house. And for each story, each floor, the height will be 3 meters. So I'll just continue with this 3 meters, and the numbering will be 1 2 3. So I just add on this. So as you can see, the first story will be 3 meters from the ground, second story will be 6 meters from the ground, and the third story will be 9 meters from the ground. So just apply. As you can see, all the grid line is already set and you're all ready to start your design and drawing. Thank you.